Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the BONTANNY red light therapy device. You can get this product on Amazon for about $140. Check out the link in the description. Red light therapy is said to help promote skin metabolism, brighten skin tone, lighten spots, accelerate wound healing and recovery of muscle damage, and increase collagen production. My first impression is very positive. It seems like this is a very sturdy, good quality product. The device comes with a user manual, a power cable, safety goggles, and everything you need to hang the device. The user manual tells you everything you need to know to use the red light therapy device. The device can be used right away, you just have to plug in the power cable. Operating the device with the control panel is very easy. I'm using the device for about 2 weeks now, and I think it's a very good product. The quality of the device is pretty good, and it's very easy to use. Does it help with my chronic pain? Well, that remains to be seen, but I will certainly not stop using this device anytime soon. So if you want to try red light therapy for health benefits and you are looking for an affordable, good quality red light therapy device, I would recommend the BONTANNY red light therapy device. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.